Backing up BILLMASTER data using a Dropbox account. First, you must set up a Dropbox account. So I'll just move this over here. Go to Dropbox.com and then please set up an account with your email address and information and so forth. You can get a free Dropbox account with up to 2 gig of data. That should be sufficient to start with. If you choose to go to the plan, you can upgrade to other plans that give you more data. They have plans here for $8.25 a month, which gives you 1 terabyte of data, which is more than enough. But again, that choice is up to you. You can get by with the 2 gigs of data and just simply delete out the old data as time goes on, because the BILLMASTER backup files are not that big. So you should be able to get at least, I would say, a year or two's worth of data before you have to delete it. Again, you just have to keep an eye on the size of your files that are being backed up. Okay, now, so once you set up the Dropbox account, and then there'll be a process to do an install, and that install will enable Dropbox to appear as a drive letter on your computer, just like any other folder that's on your computer. So as you can see here, there's a Dropbox icon, and when I click on that, it contains the folders that we just saw on my Dropbox account. You can see here there's folders that say BM Backup, Dev Backup, Photos. These are 3 folders that I can back up to just like any other drive letter on my computer. And I'll just go back to that screen. So these are the folders on Dropbox, and then when I go to the folders on my computer, you'll see that they're right here as well. So when you're inside of BILLMASTER, you'll just go to the Utils/Help tab over here. You'll go to Backup and say no, that you don't want to back up, and then here's the choice to back up to what location, and now you're just going to pick that Dropbox location. So you'll just go to Dropbox. I'll pick BM Backup and hit OK, and you can see that there's that folder. If I wanted to back up to another Dropbox location, I could pick this one where it says Dev Backup, and you'll see that it replaces it here. Hit OK, and now when the backup occurs, and I'll just say Backup Yes, the black screen comes up when the backup is occurring, and it's saving it to the Dropbox location right now. And then we'll just go over to Dropbox to prove that it's there. So this way, if your computer does have a crash or some other mechanical failure, then we can retrieve the backups from the Dropbox account. So then if I'm back into my Dropbox account, I just click on that, and here's the one that we just did. And you see it's 75 meg worth of data. You can also copy into this folder from your BM folder any custom forms that you have, because those are not backed up inside of BILLMASTER. Those unfortunately are separate files. So if you have any kind of report files like I'm showing you here, please copy those to a Dropbox account or an external hard drive. But that is what you need to do, and protect yourself against any kind of data loss if the machine does happen to go down. Okay, thank you for using BILLMASTER Software.